everyone, my name is Jai. For my final project, I want to use parametric design to do customized furniture. Customized furniture is very common in interior design. Some vendors often produce products based on designer's concept. This project I choose is a Celtic hotel. It was designed by Gensler, and this is the first phase of their design. Before I doing parametric design, I analyze this project and simplify it. This is the lobby of this hotel. You can see there are some interesting elements there, like the wallpaper and the chandelier. This is the president dinner room. You can see there is a very beautiful folding screen. So my decision is to recreate the wallpaper, chandelier, and folding screen in Grasshopper. The first part is to create the basic frame. I use Rhino Python editor to create the basic frame of the space, so I just use plan surface to create it. Then I use Rhino to move it to create the basic frame. The second part is to create the wallpaper. I found the Chinese style paper online and put it into Grasshopper. First, I have to change the settings of the image. So you can see I changed the size to the size what I want, and change the color to the black and white and make it interpolate. Then I use rectangular grid to create the frame of the picture and use circle to demonstrate it. I have to divide it because I want to make the picture clearly. Since I already make this picture clean, so I can bake them in Rhino and delete some circle which I don't need to form the final version of the wallpaper. It will be like this. The third part is to create the chandelier. From the picture I showed before, we can see the chandelier, the basic frame will be like this. So I use Grasshopper to create the basic frame. Then I use kangaroo to form the similar shape of the chandelier. So you can see it will be like this. Then I will bake it in Rhino. And this is the final version of the chandelier. The last part is to create the folding screen. First, I use a rectangular grid to form the basic frame of the folding screen. Then I divide it into 150 squares. I have to use these points to generate the circles. So you can see this is a circle. It looks like the picture I showed before. In order to mimic the real screen, I need to choose a circle randomly. So I use Grasshopper Python to choose it. So you can see this is script about the random list. The range is 10 to 25. I just want to choose part of this circle. In order to make the result bigger than 0, I wrote a formula which is star x multiple 20 plus 1. Then you can see the result. All of them are bigger than 0. So you can see this is a circle random choose. Then I offset the circle which I random chose to form the real shape of the folding screen. Last, I choose some circle to rotate it and bake it them in Rhino. So this is the last version of the folding screen. This is a rendering version of the folding screen. Thanks.